Hey everyone! Today I want to talk to you or show you how to organize the Classwork page in your Google Classroom. So the first thing you need to do is to open up a class in which you would like your Classwork page organized. Here's mine. We're on the Stream tab. The first step we're going to take is to click on this Classwork tab. You can kind of take a look at all of the different topics I've already created in my Google Classroom. I've chosen to organize mine through unit. And you can see that at the top here I have several assignments that are not part of a topic. That's because I didn't add a topic to those assignments. They're assignments that don't necessarily fit under a specific unit. But in order to create a topic, I can hit this Create button and hit Topic. Let's say I want to add the topic of Anne Frank, because we do a unit on Anne Frank, and it adds it to my list. You can see that I don't have any lessons posted on there. What we need to do then is to go back to our main Classwork page. You can hit Create Assignment, and I can create its own assignment within that topic. Let's say we'll do a World War II KWL, and I can add that from my drive. I want everybody to be able to have their own copy. And over here on the right side, it says topic. And I can add it right to my Anne Frank topic. I can change the point value, the due date, all of those things from there. And if I hit Assign, it's going to end up under my Anne Frank topic. Another way to do this is just to go straight to your assignment, and you can add a new topic right from the assignment. So if I'm going to write a research paper, I would add all of my information there, assign, and I should have a research paper topic listed there. Now let's say I want to rearrange some assignments within a topic. I can just click and drag where I want the topic to be rearranged. I hope this clears up any questions about how to create topics, how to organize topics within the Classwork page of your Google Classroom.